Motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away, yeah. Like New York in the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got love blind, and ooh, yeah. Got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah. Cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old. Tell me your favorite song, I'll put it on repeat. I could wait for you forever, through the storms or any weather. Yeah, you're like New York in the sunshine, I'm a fool, yeah. I got my love blind, and ooh, yeah. Got my heart out, and it's covered in gold. Like moonlight over Hollywood, and it's cool, yeah. Cause you know it's good, oh baby. We'll never get old.
Happy Thursday. I am so confused with the days this week. I think you would have seen, I think I've put it in this vlog, that we went to the Eden project on Monday. I have never been there before, Reese had never been either. That was a really good day, and I was also very happy because I got to drive my car, the furthest it's ever been, because I only got it just before lockdown and I've hardly driven it, so I was very happy about that. And we had a really, really nice day, so I included some clips at the beginning. They were filmed on my phone, so I don't know what the quality will be like, but it was just the easiest thing. We had to wear masks, obviously while we were inside, so we had to wear them through the biome, so I was literally sweating because it was so hot anyway. We've been having like a full-on heat wave in England and the UK, and yeah, it was just so hot. Yesterday I had my online class, so I did my coloured crystal class, which was really good. I really enjoyed that, although I was like melting. I think everybody who was watching was struggling a bit with the heat, but yeah, it was all good. I am in the salon at the moment, just clearing stuff out. I literally hand the keys back a week today, which is very weird, but I'm kind of looking forward to it now. I just want that to be kind of done, and then I can just really focus on the teaching and getting the online classes sorted and all that kind of thing. So I'm kind of ready for this part to be done now. But this is what we have going on. So it just looks like a big pile of mess at the minute, if I'm honest. I'll wait the lights come on. So all of this is going. I do not need or want any of it. This we're gonna have brought back home to our house. We're going to put this one here in the bedroom. I've got my drawer unit there, which all my colours and things go in. And then this desk here is going to go in our like living area so that I've got another place to sit with my laptop. Because during the day, at the moment, Reese is also working from home. So he works in the spare room at his desk. So I just thought it'd be nice to have like another desk in the living area, because what happens at the minute is I basically sit on the sofa and do my laptop work, which obviously is not very good for like your posture and stuff. So I don't want to end up giving myself a horrendous back. My knees are feeling great. I don't know when I last would have updated you. Knees are feeling great. I've managed to like get to the top level of the exercises that I need to do. And I did my first workout last Thursday and nearly died. No, it was full on. It was really hot already by that point, and yeah, I was just literally dripping in sweat, which is a nice thought. And I've been out walking, and it was my birthday on Friday. And that's why we went to the Eden Project Monday. Reese booked that ages ago before I decided that we weren't going to reopen the salon. So I was going to be working on my birthday, so hence why we went on Monday. But yeah, we had a nice weekend. We had quite a chilled one Friday. Went and saw friends Friday night that we've not seen for ages. Saturday, my best friend and her other half came over and we did like a dinner party. But we had to go and sit outside at like 10 o'clock at night because it was just so hot still. But obviously it starts cooling down outside by that point. Sunday, what did I do Sunday? Sunday I watched Formula 1. And my mum came over for a bit. And then Monday we went to the Eden Project. So that was my kind of birthday weekend off. So I've got quite a lot to kind of catch up on this week, and it's just been really hard because it's so hot. We don't have air conditioning in our houses in the UK because our houses are built to keep us warm in the winter, and this is very unusual for us. So it just is a little bit difficult. If I'm on holiday and I've got aircon and like a beach and I can go in the sea, I love the heat. Give me like mid-30s and I'm happy. But when you're at home and you're trying to do work and you haven't got the delights of aircon, it is a little bit more difficult. Not that I'm complaining, because I feel like if we complain it's just going to be horrendous. Yeah, so I'm just trying to play catch up, but while also bearing in mind that I have to have this place cleared by next Thursday. So yeah, this is this room done. I kind of got distracted there, didn't I? And then this is the big room. So this is just a load of rubbish. These are boxes with stuff that needs to come home, but it's difficult because until I get my drawers and stuff at home, I don't really have anywhere to put any of this. And because we've got a small place, there just isn't anywhere to actually put it for a minute. So I'm just going to leave this here for now. That desk is going to go, the TV is going to go. And then I've got the delights of these cupboards to empty. So I've done the first one. First one is all empty, and I found some absolute crackers in there. So I found this clock. This is the clock that we had in the salon when we were on the high street. So I'm definitely taking that home. That will look really nice hung up at home. And then in here I randomly found my old camera from like years ago. This is the weirdest story. So for those of you that don't know, I do love Formula 1, and I was just walking home from work one day and randomly found this ticket. So someone in Newton Abbot has lost this, and it's probably like their prized possession, but I just randomly found it on the pavement. There was nobody around. So yeah, I've kept it. My signed Jensen Button cap, and then also my signed, oh, I can't get it out, my signed Jensen Button model car. So I'm going to keep all of that in there and take it home, And then my plan, because where I've got my desk, I want to put some shelves up. I want to put some shelves up to keep like my awards and stuff on there. And then what I'd like to do is have a shelf with all of my like Formula One stuff on, like a bit higher up. And that would be like my little corner. But I also found this frame we used to hang up when we were on the high street. We used to hang this up by our kind of till area, and we just kind of kept a few nail art designs near the front desk so that when people came in they could see kind of just a few examples of things that we do. So yeah, a bit nostalgic really, like finding that while I'm clearing all this out. When we moved from the high street, it was quite a quick move, so I anticipate that the next 1 to 2 cupboards are going to be full of stuff that I have not looked at since we moved. I anticipate that I'm going to find a lot of stuff that we brought with us when we moved from the shop, and then it's just kind of stayed in there because it's just been manic. Like, I've not really had the time to sort through any of it. This is what I will be doing for the next. I'm not going to stay here for ages because I get really bored and I just lose all motivation for stuff like this quite quickly. So I've done one cupboard. I'll probably do the next 2 shelves and then I'll leave it. And then, so this is this monstrosity of a cupboard. This is the worst bit. Although I think it probably looks worse than what it is because some of it will be stuff to go. There's a load of scratch magazines down there. I need to like get a scrapbook or something because I've got things in scratch magazines, like features, that I really, really want to keep, but keeping all of those magazines, I mean, don't get me wrong, like, I'm massively privileged, and to say that I've got enough featured that actually I don't have the space to keep all the magazines, but I don't want to throw it away, but I just feel like I cannot just keep all these stacks of magazines. It's ridiculous. And I've just realised I've got all this stuff on the top here as well, so yeah, wish me luck.
Down Cali, driving round with my baby, top drops and raindrops, motion got me all faded, my heart got me going all crazy, and I won't be walking away, yeah, New York in the sunshine.
Look what I found. I found my wah book. I was obsessed with wah nails like back in the day. They were a massive like inspiration for me when I first went self-employed. I haven't looked at this in years. Oh, and who remembers Model's Own nail polish? Does that even exist anymore? I just remember like being obsessed with this book. So cool. So yeah, I'm keeping this for sure. That's going to go on my shelf, I think. And then I also found this little Artelio booklet, which is a glitter brand from the US by a nail artist called Sarah Bland, and I actually used to sell her glitters in the UK. So I'm going to keep this because this is like another little nostalgic thing. Who remembers, was it called Nailgasm? The documentary. I don't know if I've got that anymore, which is annoying because I'd love to put that on the shelf like next to those 2 books, but anyway, like I say, I'm losing interest again now. So I've done that top shelf and I need to then carry on with this one, so I'm gonna go home now. I'm behind with like getting the recordings up for purchase on the website. I still haven't done last week's because that would normally be what I would do Thursday, Friday, but the video hadn't processed it properly for me to upload it to YouTube on Thursday, so I had to do that on Tuesday, and then the rest of that time I was just getting ready for last night's class. And as I say, it's been so hot, any productivity has just been drained out of me, so yeah, I'm going to go home now and get cracking with getting last night's and last week's class up on the website. I've had loads of people, it's crazy, isn't it? So I did that class, I advertised it a week ago, and then suddenly last night I get like an influx of people saying that they wanted to do the class and they can't believe they've missed it. So I really need to get that one up because people are asking for it, they want it. So what you want, I shall provide. So yeah, I'm gonna stop blabbering now because I'm just like, I think I'm hungry. I've gone delirious again.